Hi there, students. Infraction. Okay, I think infraction is a noun. It's normally countable, but it could be uncountable as well. Okay, an infraction is when somebody breaks a rule or they break a law. So an infraction, an occasion when somebody breaks the law, when they infringe the law, and that is an infraction. It's the breaking of a rule, the breaking of a law, the breaking of an agreement. Okay, so that is an infraction. The act of infringing, to violate a law, to break a law. Yeah, and this is an infraction. You committed an infraction of the rules. It's an instance of breaking it. So yeah, on lots of occasions I was I committed infractions of the school rules. Yeah, my parents were always being called to school for minor infractions that I had committed. Okay, so an infraction, breaking a law, breaking an agreement, it's an infringement. Now, an infraction, I think American law defines an infraction as certain minor offences. Yeah, these are is when a law is broken, but not something serious. Yeah, something that, for example, speeding, that would be an infraction. Yeah, I think if the possible sentence is more than 6 months in jail, then it's not an infraction. So this is like a misdemeanor, a small offence. Yeah, but notice an infraction. Is there a verb to infract? I think there is a verb to infract, but I don't think anybody ever uses it. I think to infringe the law, this is an infraction of the law. Okay, so infraction, an instance of breaking the law, disobeying a rule. Yeah, an infraction of the rule, an infraction of the social norms, a misdemeanor, a violation, an infringement, a petty crime. Yeah, a small offence. Yeah, some small breaking of the law, some transgression, a contravention of the rules. Yeah. Okay, so normally in life, if you commit a minor infraction, people say, don't do it again. But you get too many infractions, too many breaches of the rules, and then that's when you start to get into problems and in difficulty. Okay, so an infraction, yeah, an occasion where you've broken the rules, a minor breaking of the law, a minor infraction. Yeah. Okay, so an infraction of a law. Yeah, and a legal infraction, a safety infraction, a major infraction, a serious infraction. Yeah, okay, it's nowadays with so many laws and so many rules, it is just so easy to commit an infraction. Yeah, each infraction is punishable with a fine of up to £10. Ooh. Okay, so an infraction. Okay, formality, infraction. Yeah, this is on the more formal side. I'm going to give this, I think, a 6.5 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a formal writing. Informally, breaking the rules. We broke the rules. And then, as to origin, this comes from Latin, actually from the verb infringo. Yeah. Okay, infringery, from, so in, and then from the verb frangere, to break. So you're breaking, yeah, you're breaking the rules. It's a petty crime. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. An infraction.